Hindi naman ako magaling magsalita. I'm not a born speaker or communicator. In fact, I'd rather do anything else than talk in front or hold the mic. It's the last thing that I will do. Sounds familiar? You know, you cannot separate leadership and communication. Leadership is enhanced by your ability to communicate. And when you communicate well, ang byproduct niyan is, it is a plus sa iyong leadership. Now, here's what you need to remember. When it comes to communication, it is not a gift or something that is reserved only for the few. The truth is, communication skills can be learned. That's the reason that you're probably watching or listening to this program. Pag yan ang nilagay mo sa utak mo, slowly but surely, if you practice, if you expose yourself, if you train, if you talk to people na magaling na communicators, slowly but surely, talagang you will improve. You'll be surprised. A year, 2 years from now, iba na yung skill level mo when it comes to your communication.